Is this?
That's my shark.
That's your shark? Okay,
Yeah.
show everybody your shark. Okay. So this is a Ginormous grow shark, right? And what you do is you put this little shark in a jar of water or maybe the bathtub, and it magically grows to this size. That's Daddy's shark? Okay, so we're going to put this in a jar of water, and we'll show everybody how this works. So the shark is about done, I would say. He looks huge now. All right.
I don't think he's gonna fit out.
You don't think he's going to fit out of the jar?
You
know what? No. I don't either. So maybe this was a huge pickle jar. Yeah, but I think that was a bad idea. So, you got it?
No, he's gonna be stuck forever.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. I don't know what we do.
Okay, so is it a no-go?
He looks like a real live shark.
He's a huge shark. Just keep growing and growing. Okay, so we're gonna pause this video and see if somehow we can magically get the shark out. Okay, so I'm gonna twist until we get the shark out here. I'll let Brooks video. Oh man, I don't know if this guy's coming out. So that was a bad idea. So maybe putting this in the bathtub or sink is the way to go. I thought it'd be neat to watch him grow in a jar. But, gosh. Oh man, I don't know. Guys. Well, on to plan B. All right, show it to us, Briggs. We finally, after about 15 minutes, we got the shark out. You want to show it to us? How big it is? Oh my gosh. That grew a lot. That's crazy. Pretty cool. Should we throw it in the bathtub?
No. Our toy?
You don't want to put it in the bathtub with you?
I do. Not a nice bathtub.
Not in your bathtub? What about Mama's bathtub? Wouldn't that be fun?
Right now. Yes, Mommy's bathtub.
Okay. Mommy's bathtub? Alright, let's do it.